Good morning, guys. Hope you slept well. We did. Now we are climbing the heights of Bukit
Pelindung.
Bukit Pelindung.
Pelindung.
So now we're gonna climb up to the top. Morning. Morning. So we have a exciting hike day. Yeah, finally. We hiked the city center to establish if Anna's knee is good, and it's getting. Yeah. And now we go up, and see what we can see here.
Yeah.
It's a road hike and an off-road hike.
It would be good to see some bukit.
Yeah, but
they are always beautiful.
Here's the sign. I can.
Yeah,
Bukit Pelindung. Pelindung. Here you see. Nice. Morning.
Always nice to meet so much people.
Yeah. Up for the exercise. Can you breathe?
Yeah. It was very wet in the area here.
Yeah. And a steep start. Morning. Very steep. So we walk up to a mountain top, straight up into the jungle. Yeah. Almost 1.4 kilometers to complete.
To go up.
Yeah, but we will go to the those extensions there. I want to go there to both of them towers.
Yeah, of course we do.
Yeah.
I have it has to take its time. No rush.
Yeah.
No rush.
Exactly. We have to rush. We walk hard. We walk fast. So come on, Anna. Let's go.
Run up.
A beautiful start here, but the grab driver said it was off-road as well, so not just this road. And it's absolutely stunning here.
I can feel it's good in back.
Good in back. Morning.
I can feel it in the part of my body that I sit on. It's a good hike up.
Yeah, perfect.
So let's go.
Maybe here's some off-road. Yeah, off-road.
Can you see how steep this is?
I don't know if you can hear me. Maybe can.
So.
Oh, you go. I think you can.
It's so steep.
Bye-bye. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. I love those three curls. It's beautiful. And now I lost Anna, so I must hurry up. So if you can see her, please tell me, because I don't know where she is. Anna, where are you? Well, if you need, there are some benches.
Beautiful little benches.
Yeah, I love the curly trees. And it's a steep walk. Very, very steep.
Morning. This is a good one.
Yeah. And 0.4. Nice. Morning. You have the wisdom's words every single 2 kilometers, I think. But I like them. Some kind of top. We got 2 G5 masts maybe, or can it be 4G? I don't know, because I don't know anything about that. But easy hike up, but
A steep one.
steep one, yeah.
So no problem.
No, so just slow down a little bit, think about your pace, and it's no problem to walk up. Good morning. And a lot of people exercising here. It makes us
so good to see.
Yeah, makes us so happy and inspired to see old ones,
so
young
much
ones.
easier to walk.
Yeah.
So now left or right?
I think we need to do both.
Do we take a picture of us in that one?
No, I don't think so. Which one first?
I'll go up first. But this is for... You made it.
Yeah. 1,800 meters. The elevation was 275. I will walk
Put
back.
the camera there. You do a thumbnail.
Yeah, because you have the beautiful YouTube voice. I will do that at once. I don't dare to do anything else.
A little bit more. Up.
No.
I think it's fine.
Yeah.
Let's stand in here.
We made it!
Yay!
Woohoo!
Done!
No,
Perfect!
not done at all.
Down with the thumbnail.
Yeah, but now we walk up here. Oh, nice breeze.
Oh, yeah, it's not so hot.
No.
It's a cloudy day and it's in the shadows as well, so
Yeah.
and early in the morning, so
Yeah, perfect day for walking.
oh, perfect.
Yeah, that's maybe why it's a lot of people here.
That you look like this anyway. It's
Yeah,
just
you're sweating.
pouring down.
It's a steep elevations. You have to get that muscles going. You cannot.
The big muscles working hard.
Yeah. So it's nice. Morning.
Good work.
This is beautiful walking pathways here. And here you got one of the 5G masts. Nice. Morning. Morning. Morning.
And who do we think of when we see this? Shai!
Yeah.
He's an awesome YouTuber. Do too much dangerous things for me. But we like to see him.
Yeah.
Watch him.
Here we got
With a
viewpoint with a Malaysian flag.
Oh, should we dress up the camera then? It's a wind. Put the little hat on.
Yeah.
So, bear with me. Now it's not freezing. So many. I thought it would be 2.
Yeah, me too. But this is nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah, and we walk down there.
7.
Nice.
What are they for?
I don't know.
It's just for mobile. Oh, this was a nice.
Yeah, same as Cameron Highlands when we got lucky with the flag.
Yeah.
So
maybe I should
almost look like we have edit the thumbnail, but we cannot. So nice one with the flag in the background.
Maybe.
Morning. Huh? Beautiful. And the view here.
Big trees.
Yeah, spectacular view. And you see down there? Oh, she's running. So many.
Oh, you can't walk any further.
You cannot?
No, it's dead end here now.
Yeah. So this is the top.
The end of. Then you can't get any higher up if you don't do like Shay and climb up in that one.
Ah, but we cannot. So this is the right road, and we will go for the left road. We have to see what's up there as well. Protected area. No authorized personnel can go in here. What is this? Diesel. And what's behind this? Wall number 1. I think you can go around. Yeah, but maybe you shall not. But I think you can go around, but I don't know.
Are you allowed?
Yeah, no sign, so you can go around the building, but we will go down the left and see what we have there.
Yeah. I gotcha. I've had a little bit problem to catching up with Dan when he has a really great day. He walks fast. He walks fast the ordinary day, but when you get this elevations day, he got even more quick in his legs. It's like a swing. I think this other one was even more high up. Snakes have been sighted in this area, and I think they mean the big Malaysian king cobra.
Yeah, it must be.
And I wonder how many of you have seen one of those in the jungle or in your backyard or anywhere.
We never seen a king cobra. A lot of small snakes and a couple of venomous snakes as well. But
I don't have heard of anyone who has seen it.
No.
Either.
No. So please make a comment. Have you seen it? Or go to our Instagram and type to us there, so we can, if you have some great pictures of a king cobra. So be sure to follow us on Instagram as well, and we will try to update some more there as well.
Because we know it's we know they are around us when they are in the jungle, but we haven't seen them or anything. So how afraid should you be?
Yeah. How common are they?
How common are
they? Is the question.
Yeah.
Because we have made a lot of jungle hikes here, even without the camera, and we never seen.
Never. We have seen the most poisonous one, the red-tailed something.
But it was in Singapore. It was not Malaysia.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
You just see the green ones in Alostar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I get scared every time. I like to watch them, but I don't like to have them close to me. So I want to see them on a distance.
Yeah, so now I have to focus on the...
Yeah, concentrate to walk down, so you walk correct, so you don't
correct
bang
up and correct down, especially correct down.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the hard part.
It's easier to walk up.
Yeah, so let's head down. Salamatatang. Here you can walk. Some kind of off-road.
Yeah, we will try it. 1 kilometer.
Is for mountain bike, trekking and jogging.
There is 1,000 meters and there is 1,800 meters. So we will go for the 1,800.
Of course. But I don't know.
No.
It was 880 meters between these signs.
Yeah. So we did good.
Ah, this. I love this.
And the bench here as well.
Yeah, but you see, it's so dirty. It's not used. That's a good sign.
Then it's a good bench. An unused bench is a good bench.
Yeah.
And stairs. Nice.
Stairs in the jungle.
It's not jungle. It's very, very jungle. Have you got it?
Yeah, something around
Yeah,
here.
red cabin. Red cabin in the woods. Always in a horror movie there is red cabin in the woods.
The red,
Yeah, and we have to walk up there as well.
red cabin in the wood. No, there are red doors.
And that's the Malay flag. Is this the Kuantan flag? What kind of flag? Is it Kuantan? Or is it Penang? No, not Penang.
No. Pahang.
Huh?
Pahang.
Pahang. So is it Kuantan or Pahang flag? Looks like a Jolly Roger.
Yeah, it's just missing some important parts.
Yeah. We have lit up.
Oh, I can smell it. I
Yeah.
can smell it.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, it's no cabin.
Oh,
No,
I will not go in.
it's
But nice. A praying station. I don't know the name.
it's on my tongue.
I can't remember either.
No,
But it's
no.
nice.
It's coming.
Yeah. Let's go up.
Give me a sec.
Go up the stairs.
No, I can't remember it. I know it, but I can't remember.
Yeah, yours
But
well.
I'm positive that you will remind me right now.
Mushroom.
That was a funny one.
Yeah.
Looked like a chime glass. What you sand glass? What do you? I don't know I don't know the name of that either. Just mumbling around. Yeah, up we go.
Yeah. I go first.
Yeah. My speedy man.
My speedy dad.
Yeah, that's his new name, Speedy Dan. And then the Speedy Dan, and then Anna. Speedy Dan. I'm coming. I go left, and then we go right. Look at this. Always good with a rope like this.
I had to use the rope over here.
Did you get roped as well?
Yeah, it was too steep.
Yeah, it's too slippery. Ah.
Nice. Now we keep on marching here, I think.
Yeah, we don't go back there. But then we missed the stairs. No, we did the stairs. Oh my god. I think it was going to be some more stairs. Good morning.
Good morning.
We go there or there?
Now we go down here.
Yeah. There it's beautiful. I don't know if you can see that, but I see the town down there, but I don't think you guys can see it, unfortunately. But it's a beautiful view. And down there is little Anna. But here was nice.
Really nice.
Yeah.
I don't think
Oh.
viewers can see. But can you see that tree?
Yeah, no. I think unfortunately it's too far
I
away.
bet you can see it.
Yeah. But if we are lucky, some famous YouTuber can go here with fancy cameras and they can film it, because we can't.
We don't have any
Oh.
fancy one. And even if we had a fancy one, we don't know how it works.
No.
We'll be ending up with horrible, terrible videos.
Yeah. Like now.
No, this one is good.
Yeah.
I think if we have one of these big cameras, you can zoom in and stuff.
Yeah. I will go crazy because I don't know what to do.
And I know I have been zooming so much.
Mm.
In and out, just it's fun.
Yeah.
So no, we stick to the GoPro.
We stick to the GoPro and we watch famous YouTubers.
Oh, whoa. Is it slippery here?
No, I don't think so. But yeah, it can be slippery because it was raining.
Yeah, every day.
No, but yesterday it was raining a lot.
Very, very heavily. And
Yeah.
the thunder.
So we lied in bed, drinking coffee, and we have a view from the bed, so we can see the thunder over the water. So it was incredible. And now here's a squirrel eating something because he threw that down.
He tried to...
He tried to taunt me, the squirrel. This one.
Where are he?
Or
Where is he?
it can be monkeys as well.
They're trying to hit us.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of them. Look, everywhere. The white
What
little...
is it?
I don't know.
Some kind
These
of-
ones.
Yeah, and they are completely new.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have picked out the seeds.
Yeah. This is squirrel. Oh. They try to hit you, Anna.
Yeah.
Me they like. You know to keep my distance.
No, I'm so curious.
Is it squirrels or is it monkeys?
That was a big one.
Yeah. I must be squirrels.
I don't know.
Oh.
But it has to be so fun to see them.
Yeah.
But maybe he's a bird.
Yeah, it can be birds. It can be everything. We don't know. And here is some of those nice squirrely trees again. I like this. I think they are majestic.
I think you can just hold into this one.
Yeah.
It's so strong.
Yeah. And here is very, very beautiful in here. But I'm a little, not afraid, I can say, but I walk a little bit slower because I think there is a little bit slippery because of all the rain yesterday.
I had that feeling.
Yeah.
And I slipped the other day when we were at the waterfall.
Yeah.
And I don't want to slip anymore.
Yeah, and then you banged your bad knee.
Of course I did.
Yeah. Why can you tell me that, guys? Every time you have, if you have pain in your left knee, you will hit your left knee. If you have pain in the right knee, you will hit the right knee. Tell me, why is it like that?
You never bang
the good knee.
Knee.
No.
Thanks for the sign.
Waterfall, here we go. We didn't know there was a waterfall down here. So I just put out the camera and walk for 50 meters and we see a nice handmade sign, waterfall. And then you must trust the handmade sign. So we go down here and hope we can see a big waterfall. But I think it's gonna be a small one.
Yeah, but because of the rain yesterday,
yeah,
it's gonna be maybe a bit bigger than usual.
Yeah.
Anyway.
And here we can get eaten by the mosquitoes, so we will make everyone happy in the jungle.
And here we can be beaten by spiders because there's so much spiders.
Right.
Spider web.
Can you remember the spider we saw at the waterfall?
That big.
Yeah. It was big like my palm. It was huge. I think we tried to film it, but you can't get it on film, unfortunately.
Because we have a GoPro.
Yeah.
Then if we had this camera.
Yeah. But I will put the camera down so I don't slip down here. You like them?
No.
Let's find a waterfall. We hope we was a crossing from, hello, not a crossing. We could make a right turn, but there was no signs. So we try down here and see if we can find a waterfall as well. And it's very steep here.
Look at that one there. But it wasn't that big red one.
But they can be poisonous, so.
Yeah, the red one is.
Not this one.
Maybe this is.
I will. Always when we're out, we think the poison and the dangerous. So we keep our distance. So we are not trying to have any close encounters with the animals. We like to watch on the distance.
We love to see strange animals on a distance, of course. On a distance.
Here is some signs and some things in the trees, so maybe this is the right path. But this one was hard to walk down. You have to be very careful if you're here.
Yeah, the slow way down.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
it's sweaty and it's a little damp in the ground, so you get a little bit slippery. So let's put that camera out and put it down. So we will hook you up when if we find the waterfall.
We did not get very far from when I put the camera down. Look at this. There you are.
Yeah.
I wonder if you have left me.
You can go down there as well, but I don't think it's the path, but it looks nice.
But here, look at the green colors.
Yeah.
I hope that the green colors really stick on this one. On the camera, I mean. You can see it. And now I put you down again. The avatar flowers. So beautiful. This is crazy nice to go to walk here. It's very steep. And some rope again. And there is a dam. We still are in Malaysia. That's good to know.
No passport.
No passport, not with me here.
Looking good.
Where are you?
Up in the mountains.
Ah, there you are.
Buggers. Did you film the Chinese signs on the wall?
No, but film. Have you seen the ants?
No.
They can eat me.
Yeah, they're huge.
They were the biggest ant I have ever seen.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to get up there.
You
Can I? No, I
save your knee.
I save my knee because you put, and we are not down yet. Oh, look at it! He's spinning around.
Yeah, but you have a lot more over here. You're gonna walk by them.
Oh. Wait! Do you have some? No, we just
here.
Oh my God! You can't do a stand. I'm afraid. I'm really afraid.
Yeah. Hold my hand, and it's gonna be okay.
No, I just take some speed.
Yeah. I will take the guys up here.
Oh, I can feel them. Oh.
Great work.
And I don't like the small ants that we have in our kitchen. And then I see this one here. Oh.
How big was they? Bigger than an M&M. What can you compare to in size, these ants?
If I show this big, I'm not lying. Right?
Oh, bigger.
Like this big.
Yeah. Nice.
So, like here, like to this. Not so thick, but ooh.
Yeah. You like them. Have you told the guys when you slept with the ants in the bed? When you were a happy camper?
No.
You woke up with your hair full of ants?
Have not.
You want to tell them the story, or is that for a separate video? Your true horror stories of Malaysia, when you were sleeping with the ants.
It was ants in our bed.
No, on your side of the bed.
Yes, just on my side. Never on the... 2 times I have been in a hotel with small ants, and it's not the hotel's fault. It's oh, it began here as well. It's that's the way it is, but I can feed them on me on the night. And first you just imagine, lie still, don't wake them, and I can feel them, and they were stinging my, it were in my neck, in my throat, they were everywhere, not in my throat, but here on my shin. And I turned the light on, and oh my God, we wake up very early that day, very early. It was horrible. So from now on, when we're checking in, before I lay down in a new hotel, I always check under the sheets. Ah, silly me, but what can I do? What can I do? I don't like ants. I don't like them in my hair. They're supposed to live out here, of course. So that's nice for them, but I don't want them on me. We see water. Do we have a waterfall?
Yes,
we have.
Three brothers trail and three sisters trail.
Oh, a lot of fish.
A lot of fish.
Yeah.
So here's the trail. And we can go up here as well.
And a small pond with so many fish. I will not go in there and swimming because they are the biting fishes. They bite you. It's nice, but you don't. Yeah. Does someone do the dishes?
Yeah. And why are so many fishes?
You can go up here as well to Kuantan. Kuantan breakfast run is that way. Oh, we have. In what direction should we go? It could be a hard one to pick. Brothers, sisters, or breakfast trail. Ah, he's washing up.
Nice and cold.
Refreshing.
Yeah, it was super nice and cold. Oh, I need that.
Take it.
Clean up my sweaty face.
So will I. I do it here.
Yeah.
Me and the fishes.
Maybe you can catch a fish.
No.
They don't like you. But we go up to the three brothers and three sisters trail.
Yeah, or breakfast trail. We have 3 trails to choose on.
Yeah, but there's 2 and there's 1.
Yeah.
So which one do you think?
Oh.
Up here was super nice. But if we go up here, maybe we can. Maybe there's more waterfall.
Mm.
Yeah. Because this was beautiful. And this we didn't know.
No, I have no idea.
No, we saw a nice sign. Was handwritten, waterfall this way.
Yeah, so thank you who put that one up.
Yeah. But we go up there, I think, to the
Brothers and Sisters Trail.
3 brothers and 3 sisters trail. 3 brothers trail, 3 sisters trail. Yeah. It was nice to clean up a little.
Yeah. I always put too much on my nails. I'm done.
Oh, let's go up.
Where do we end up this day?
Hope.
Oh, what is it, frogs?
Frog?
I saw small frogs.
Yeah. It was a wet trail, this. If it's too wet, we will go back the same.
What a height! And this is the first time I hike since my knee broke down.
Oh, huge spider. Can you see it? I hope you can. Maybe we should move so it can give Anna a big kiss.
I saw it from here.
Let's hug the spider.
Now it's gone.
Look at the lights. I don't know if you can get it on cam, but it's a little
It's
bit.
like a trail on that way too.
Yeah.
So which way?
But here is more stepped up. A lot of steps here.
Are you sure on this way? Because on that way it was the tape. We have them here.
Oh, I don't know. Huh. We go the other way then.
Because
It's better to go up. Because
yeah, I don't think it's.
Because we have walked long way down, but if we don't find a nice path, we just have to walk back the same way we came from.
Yeah, but here you have
The ribbons.
the ribbons. Yes, please, thank you.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, we have this one. The whole way.
Yeah, and this was the one we walked down. The blue one and the red one.
Yeah. So we are stuck to them.
Yeah.
We stick to these ribbons.
Do we say bye-bye or they should?
Yep, we say bye-bye and see you when we see something interesting.
And they don't like to see you walking down here?
Maybe they have to see. No, I'm walking pretty solid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look strong. You look very, very strong. It's a good walk.
Should I go over or under? Whoa.
Now we just need to diet down 5 kilos.
Yeah, I have to.
Because we have
Too many donuts.
too
When I
many
was
donuts
resting
when we were free. And when we have a little bit of less.
Are you strong?
No.
Too many donuts when I was feeling my knee.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. And this is nice. The Malay flag just here in the water.
Yeah, then you know you're on the right
Oh.
path in life.
So this is a city border, a border to another country with a beautiful
Up
flag.
there.
Yeah. This was a crazy jungle walk.
Whoa, what was that? Is it stuck on me? No. It just
Yeah, jumping.
You see it?
I think I got it on camera. It was over there somewhere. And here is the beautiful Malaysian flag in the background here. Can I do a thumbnail with myself without falling down? I think I can. Oh, ho, ho, beautiful! And we see on YouTube, you must be shocked, and you must you must be shocked, surprised, but we are never we like it, but we're never shocked and never surprised, because this is the real world. Stuff happens.
The rock is slippery, so you have to be careful.
What do you see?
I don't know.
I'm not coming.
I see people.
Oh, no.
Hello. Good morning.
What's this?
I don't know. Maybe some zoo? Yeah, I think. Because I saw there was some zoo in Kuantan, so maybe this is building up for the zoo.
See, in the outskirts of the zoo.
We can be, I don't know. But because somewhere I read there was a zoo, and this looks like a zoo, zookeeping place, animal keeping place. I don't know the name.
That's a jump on.
Yeah. Be careful.
Is this possible?
Yeah.
I think so. No problem. You can do it with the camera. Yeah. You go.
I go.
You go. You go.
And the water is still down there, and a lot of nice red ribbons here. Oh, we didn't have to use the stairs. You can see in here. And there was a guy there, over there. And of course I shouted hello. And this was a nice path here. Getting excited where what was it? 3-man hike and 3-lady hike? Brothers.
And, but was it 2 sisters and 3 brothers?
No, I think it was 3-brother hike and 3-sister hike.
3 brothers and 2 sisters.
Yeah, can be. Was a nice name. And now we get a steep up in the jungle again. And now I'm thinking, HBN, if you watch this video, I know you're in Greece, hanging by the pool, and you need to hike more. So HBN, take your friend in the hand and go out for a nice hike, and not only lay by the pool and look at dogs. Because you sent me a picture yesterday, you were looking at dogs. So that's nice. Yeah. Oh, we'll put the camera out again. So you have to rest because it's so humid here in the forest.
Yeah. Can you see how dark it is?
Yeah.
And it's not evening.
No, it's 10 o'clock in the morning time. And it's pitch black and the sun is out. Great weather. Perfect blue sky. But here is pitch black.
It's so thick. But you can see there's the sun. But it's really thick jungle here, so you can't. It's getting dark.
Yeah. And here we have to climb up. And the brothers' trail is to the right, and the 3 sisters' trail is to the left. We follow the sisters or the brothers?
Oh,
The sisters.
of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Take
go
the
for
sisters.
Yeah. So see you when we are on the sisters' trail with 3 sisters.
No, it's so black, like in the dark of the night.
Yeah, it looks like almost red, so that's nice. So this is just for us. You can't watch this.
We see monkeys. And that kind of monkeys, you have been told us that they are no nice. Yeah, they are. I don't think they're following us. They're not following us?
Oh, they walk down.
Yeah. There was angry ones, the big angry ones.
Yeah.
They are so beautiful, but I don't want them close to me.
Look at all these ribbons to mark the way.
Yeah, and we are following the
red one.
Yeah, the red ones.
Red or orange, I don't know.
Yeah, it's other path was closed, so we just follow this one. Just one open.
The Three Sisters was closed.
Yeah.
So this is the Three Brothers path.
Yes, you go where the brothers one.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. And it's very steep.
Yeah, slippery as well.
Pretty steep climbs, so they have been nice to put up some ropes here. And that's nice to get some help when you're climbing up here. Good work, Anna.
It's a steep one.
Yeah, but you made it. Good. Go, go, go.
And we're back up here. The last one. Oh my God. It was a really, really steep one. Whew. So go up here to these facilities. It's no problem. But from the waterfall, it was steep. But now I catch my breath. But it was a really, really nice hike. So highly recommend. Highly recommend. If you like to do some jungle trekking, you should do this one. So I think, is it exactly here when we turn around the corner and then Dan turn around the corner? There he is. It was exactly here that you turn around.
Yeah.
Oh.
On the top again.
Oh.
And now it's easy walk down.
Now it's an easy walk down.
Yeah. I think half an hour,
Oh.
40 minutes to go up from the waterfall. So it's pretty nice.
Yeah. And I said to them that up here is so easy.
Yeah.
But if you like jungle trekking, please do that. I can't hold the camera. I'm too tired. So now we walk down and see you down there. Very steep.
Almost down, and you can see how steep it is.
You're walking crisscross like this.
Yeah.
And flattening it out.
Yeah. But it was a nice one, this. I love this place.
Yeah.
2 kilometers up to this top, and then 4 or 5 kilometers to the waterfall, I think.
No,
So-
I think it's a 2 up and then 2 down to the waterfall and 2 up to the waterfall and 2 down.
Yeah, it can be. It can be.
Something like that.
Yeah. Because I think we have walked around 7 or 8 kilometers for now. So, nice one. This walk up here was pretty easy. It's steep but easy, and to the waterfall it was a little bit harder, I think. So if you do the waterfall, be careful, have the right shoes, and take it easy. So
No flip-flops there.
no, and if you're young and hello, good morning. if you're young and fresh, you should make it. So it was a nice day. Now the breeze is coming, and that was nice.
And then you're almost down, you have to be extra careful.
Yeah.
Don't relax.
Yeah, relax when you're home, because now it's easy to relax and do a wrong step or something like that, and you don't want that. So should we say thank you, or maybe maybe we have a bit down as well, I don't know. So see you when we reach the bottom.
Oh.
These guys here, they had some extra water. Thank you guys. You thirsty?
Oh, it was a nice one.
Set up. Thank you, thank you. Set up my water. Cold?
Yeah, perfect. I take the rest, I take this one.
And not too cold.
No, perfect.
Oh, nice. Whew. Yeah, now we're down. You can see the city center down there. Perfect. We're down.
Yeah, we're down. They were kind, because I see some stores down here, and you was joking to him, do you sell some water? I think he has some spares one.
Yeah.
Oh, he got the lift the left way.
Yeah, we walked past him. A nice tree down here as well. Should we go for the grab, or should we walk home? Why am I tired in my arms? Oh.
We have been doing this in the jungle.
Yeah. I'm really tired.
No, I think we go for a grab from here.
Oh, I can't hold the camera.
I'm going to take my phone.
Yeah. So, thank you. I want to film this huge tree. Nice houses down here.
I can smell durian.
Oh, we got durian.
Yeah.
I like. So now we're gonna go for the grab. And
are you going to look how far we have done?
no, my hands are full. I got water, I got my bandana, I got a camera, but I think 8 kilometers up and down. Not to the top, up and down to the top, and then up and down to the waterfall as well.
You wrote it, we're gonna write it in?
Yeah, we can write it in the text. It's easy. And here's a beautiful tree. So thank you for coming along on this beautiful trek. My name is Dan, this is my lovely wife Anna. And we say thank you, subscribe, and to all our old subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And to LON, thank you for watching every video. We like that, so thank you, LON. See you.